Good evening, everyone. I am Lekesha Lepon, your teacher for today, or you can call me Teacher Sham. And welcome to our mathematics night class.
Good evening, Teacher Sham.
Please sit down. Before we proceed to our class, may I call your attendance first? Okay. Kayla Lane Lepon.
Present, Mom.
How about Hannah Alira Lepon?
Present, Mom.
Now, let me ask you some questions. Number 1. What word that starts with L which your eyes can do? Okay, Kayla Lane.
The answer is look, teacher.
Okay, look. Now, question number 2. What word that starts with L that your ears can do? Hannah.
The answer is listen, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now for the last question. What word that starts with C which your group will do? Kayla Lane.
It was cooperate.
Okay, very good. These words of verbs we're gonna be doing for the entire class, which you will look, listen, and cooperate when it's time for the activities. In this time around, we will be doing something. Do you want to play a game?
Yes, teacher.
I can't hear it.
Yes, teacher.
Are you familiar with word search?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that we will be doing for today's game. So here are the words that you are gonna be searching. I want to choose a volunteer. Now, who wants to volunteer for the first word? Kayla Lane. Here is the... Wow, quadrant. Next volunteer, Hannah. What word is that, Hannah?
Horizontal.
Very good. Another word. Volunteer? Kayla Lane. Cartesian. The last word. Hannah? Vertical. Very good. How about for the last but not the least word? Volunteer. Kayla Lane. Wow, ordinate. Very good. How was the game, class? Hannah.
It is quite interesting, teacher.
Another volunteer.
Fun and confusing, teacher.
Why is it confusing, Kayla Lane?
Because mag-scramble ang letter, teacher niya. Maglisod, magpangita, ang pubunsaon, pagsumpay sa mga words.
Oh.
That is why confusing.
So sa inyong pagduwa, unsa man ang mga words ang inyong mga nakitaan? Hannah.
Quadrant, teacher.
Kayla Lane.
Ordinate.
Another.
Vertical.
Another.
Horizontal.
Another. Hannah.
Cartesian.
Is it all?
Yes.
Okay, so as you've noticed with these words, these are connected with our main topic, which is on how to graph a linear equation. But before we proceed to our main topic, let's have a review first. So, og magbuhat og mag-solve gani ka og linear equation, Di ba dyan na mahitabo o walay Cartesian plane? So, unsa man din yung Cartesian plane? Can you please read Hannah Lepon? What is Cartesian plane?
Is defined by two perpendicular number lines.
So, a Cartesian plane Judy I is defined by two perpendicular number lines. For example, this is your line. And the other one is your another line. So, this is what we call the Cartesian plane. So, sa Cartesian plane, napodal na sila gitawag nga quadrants. What is a quadrant? Man kuno di ay. Kayla Lynn, can you read please?
Pag-all ma'am, pwede ka klaro. Quadrant, two-dimensional Cartesian system divide the plane into four infinite regions.
So, naakunoy two-dimensional Cartesian system. So, this is what we call Cartesian system. So, naman ay spaces, no? This is what we call quadrants. Mo na siya, gidivide na siya ka-upat. Nya, matawag po din nato siya quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, o 4. So, sa inyong quadrant, sa inyong kaning two, what do you call this? The two perpendicular number lines. Ang usa ka number lines, di gyud na magsugod sa uno. Napo na sila ginatawag na origin. So what is an origin? Unsa jud day kuno ang origin? Kayla Lynn, can you read? Please?
Origin, the point where something begins.
So no, sa usa ka Cartesian plane, naaman jud tay ginatawag nga number lines. So this is the number lines. Sa tanan counting, dili man jud ta magsugod og largo tag 1, naaman jud ay 0, di ba? So sa inyong Cartesian plane, naapod na sila ginatawag nga origin. Kung diin ka, mao ni siya origin. Kung diin ka magsugod sa imuhang counting. Silbi mo anak ka, imuhang x na adri sa 1. So, dili jud ka dapat mag-unag ihap. So, 0, 1. That is what you call an origin. After the origin, naman jud ay ginatawag pod nga ordered pair. Kung saan nimo pagkuha sa usa ka graph, kung wala kay ordered pair, lain kaayog usa ra pud ka buok number, kay di man na nimo matawag nga point. So, ordered pair. Hannah, please read.
Ordered pair refers to a set of two numbers used to locate a point in a coordinate plane.
So, an ordered pair is like an origin nga magbase gyapon ka kung asa sila na point. So, for example, naa kay ordered pair nga 1 is equals to 1. Mao na siya ang ordered pair, which is located here and here. That is your ordered pair. So the last but not the least is the table values. When you say table values, Kayla Lynn, can you please read?
Table of values, a graphic organizer or chart that helps you determine two or more points that can be used to create your graph.
So, ang table organizer di ay no, kay mo na siya ang imuhang gamiton para makakuha ka sa ordered pair sa imuhang graph. For example, gitagaan kag usa ka mo ni siya ordered mo ni siya table of values, which you can put your x here and f of x here. O na, diha mo makadetermine sa inyuhang ordered pair, which is the 1, 1. O na, makalocate na mo anak sa graph. which is the Cartesian plane. So, in graphing a linear equation po di ay, nabo na sila ginatawag nga trend of a line. So, what are the trends of a line? So, here are the trends of the line. First one is increasing, which is from left to right if the slope is positive. Increasing kuno na siya kung ang imuhang slope sa imuhang linear equation is positive. Pero, of decreasing gani, mo na siya imuhang slope kay negative. Then, another one is the horizontal line. Kung ang imuhang slope is 0, o vertical line if the slope is undefined. Now, I have a problem here that you will going to plot in the Cartesian plane. Okay, I want a volunteer to kung kinsa mo plot ani na mga numbers. For the Prince Warehouse. I mean, Kayla Lane.
Prince Warehouse Club. 2 and 4.
Butangig label kung unsa na ang imuhang gi-plot. Now for the super metro. Hana? Which is -3 and -2.
Oh my god, teacher, I forgot the label.
Sagaysano.
Ako, gapon.
Kayla Lane. For the Gaisano, Kayla Lane. And last but not the least, I want Hannah to answer the St. Louis D. Marillac. It's 0, 2. Where your y is 2 and your x is 0.
Muto yan, hindi.
Where is 2? Here. Ah. Very good. Now, inganion siya og mag-plot ka og ordered pair sa Cartesian plane, which is from Prince Warehouse to Super Metro down to St. Louis. Now, since human naman ta sa atong plotting numbers in the Cartesian plane, I have here a given function which is f of x is equals to x minus 1. So in this problem, given na ang atong x. So if given na imuhang x, imuhang pangitaon na lang is f of x, which is x minus 1. So unsaon kuno pag-solve if ingani? All you have to do is i-substitute ra nimo ang kanina mga given nga x. For example, imuhang x is equals to -2. So, it is equals to -2 minus 1 is equals to -2 minus 1.
Positive 1. Negative 1.
Negative
1.
3. So, moto nga ang imuhang x is equals to -2, the function of f of x is equals to -3. Now, to the -1, same ra gyapon ang buhaton, which is you will have to substitute x where x is equals to -1 minus 1 is equals to
2.
-2. All you have to do is, inyuha na din ibutang, -2. Then naanamoy set of ordered pairs. This is what we call ordered pairs. Now, ug na mo'y ordered pair, pwede na ninyo siya ma-plot sa inyong Cartesian plane. So, naman tayo Cartesian plane diri. So, unsa man na? -2 o -3. Asa man na?
Sa x ang -2, sa y ang -3.
Okay, -2. Then -3. So, dire lang gyapon sa St. Louis de Marilac. Sa ikaduha, -1 ug -2.
Sa x ang -1, ang -2 sa y.
So, dire na siya. Since humanaman ta sa pagkuha sa f of x o pagplot, unsaon pagplot sa Cartesian plane. Now, I want to know ug naa ba mo'y nakatunan. So, I want to divide you both so that you will answer this activity. This activity is for Kayla Lane and this activity is for Hannah. So, what are you going to do? So, inyuha buhaton is inyuha na lang fill-inan ang mga blanks, which is katong inyuhang isolve ang f of x, and then you will going to plot it into the Cartesian plane. Same as kang Hannah. As I've seen your activities, it was good and very impressive because nakuha ra gyud ninyo ang akong buot ipasabot sa inyo nga makuha ang value sa f of x o unsaon pa-plot sa Cartesian plane. Now, before we end our class, let me give you some assignment, which is entitled Graphing the Reality. Okay, please read all. 1, 2, 3, go.
Using a graphing paper, you will create your own map. Considering your house located at the origin, provide a table of values for each places. Plot 8 places on a Cartesian plane surrounding your house. Label each with their corresponding ordered pair.
So, mao na yung assignment ha. Ibutang ni siya sa bond paper. And then, paggamit mo og graphing paper para sa inyong plotting sa ordered pairs kung maghimo na mo og sa inyong Cartesian plane. That's all. Thank you, class, and goodbye!
Thank you, Teacher Shang. Goodbye.